Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Hey y'all, what it do? It's your boy JJ. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys didn't check out the last video on the Camaro 2Ss part 3 and part 4, I'll put it in the description down below and you guys can go ahead and check it out. But for today's video and today's task is basically just trying to get the car prepped for paint and clear coat, which is the last final step. But before we get into that, there's a couple of steps I need to take, which is the first thing, I will have to remove the hood, bond it from the inside. As you guys can see right here, it's already been bonded from the outside and the corner panel as well. But yeah, after the bond was placed on the car, I'm gonna have to sand it down, spray the primer, sand that down as well. And when that's done and out of the way, I have to get the car ready for the second step. Well, basically I have to tape up the whole car. Starting off with the fender to door right there. Taping up the whole grills, the lights, and everything on the front bumper. Taping it up from in between the fender to bumper, the roof, trunk, the rear bumper, door, and rocker molding. But after I'm done taping up around all those edges, I have to come back around and basically scuff pad the whole corner panel, front bumper, fender, and hood. And I know that's a lot to take in, and that's only the second step. So the third step is basically to get the car painted and clear coated, letting it sit there for 24 hours, and the car should be done. So yeah, before we get this video started, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get to it. Alrighty guys, it's currently the next day and the primer has been dried up on the corner panel and on the hood as well. Now the only thing I gotta do is just sand it down with the 800 grit, make sure it's smooth for the paint and clear coat. And then after I'm done sanding it down, I gotta tape up the whole car and get it prepped for the painter to come in and paint the car. Now the painter doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm gonna have to be really respectful and wait until after he's done, and you guys will see the end product. So let's get it. Alrighty guys, the car is prepped and ready for paint and clear coat. Now I just gotta wait for the painter to come through. Going into it, I came with the intentions that I wanted to paint the car, but I didn't want to mess it up. And I'm not gonna act like I'm a know-it-all and I know how to do everything. So yeah, I don't want anything else to go wrong. So I'm gonna let him come through, paint the car and clear coat it. And they should be ready by tomorrow. You guys will see the final product. So yeah, see you guys in the next shot. Alrighty guys, this is currently the next day, and as you guys can see, the car has been painted and clear coated, and I'm kind of happy with the outcome. The car looks like it's been dipped in butter and just glistening. But man, I can't wait to take this bad boy on the road and go for a test drive. It'll probably be in the next video, so stay in tune for that. But yeah, stay up to date on the Camaro 2Ss and the SRT Charger. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.